Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be moving outside. Actually, technically inside, just a different building. We are going to be cleaning out my garage. We're going to be doing a huge deep clean and declutter. It is insane in there. It is fall now, so I live in Canada. We get very harsh winters, tons of snow, so we always have to basically clean up our whole backyards, put any furniture away inside the garage. But my garage right now cannot have anything else added to it. It needs to be cleaned out before I can clean up my yard for the winter. So that's what we're going to be working on today. I also want to mention that today's video is in collaboration with a bunch of YouTube friends that I have met here on the platform. So we are all going to be doing a different room in our house. So if you play the playlist, you will all together be getting about 2 hours worth of motivation. And we're all gonna be cleaning an entire house together. So each lady is gonna be doing a separate room. I am tackling the garage, and I'm gonna introduce you to the other ladies joining this collab. So we have myself doing the garage today. Then we have Lizzy doing her laundry room. We have Kirsten doing a hallway transformation. Mom Life with Shelby is going to be doing children's bedrooms. Michelle is going to be doing the master bedroom. Not Just a Mom will be doing the living room. The Thornhill family will be doing the bathroom, and finally we have Lucie doing the kitchen. But without further ado, let's just get right on into the video and let's show you what my garage looks like. Okay guys, Holden wants to say hi.
Hi!
What are we doing today?
We're cleaning up the garage.
We are cleaning up the garage, yes. Okay guys, so we have an outside detached garage, and as you can see, it is a giant mess. Our garage is messy, isn't it?
Yeah.
We have so much stuff stored in here. Honestly, I don't even know where to begin. We've been doing projects all summer. I'm currently 30 weeks pregnant with our second son. And by the time you guys are seeing this, because this isn't going to be going out for a little while, I'll probably be closer to 40 weeks by the time this goes up. But yeah, we've been doing a lot of projects around the house. So we have let our garage get completely full of junk from that, just extra storage stuff, and we definitely need to get some organization going on in here. So
Look at all this crap.
let's just get started. So basically the way that I'm going to tackle this is kind of sporadic, to be honest with you. I'm basically just going around and finding things. Like I'm like, okay, I know where I want to put this, or I know where this needs to go. So you guys will kind of notice throughout the video that I kind of go all over the place. I'm not working in one specific area until that's done. I'm just looking around the room going, okay, what can I do next? Because it was so overwhelming. There was so much to be done that I kind of just like was getting overwhelmed a bit, and I just was everywhere I looked there was something that needed to be done. So I'm starting out by folding all these blankets. So those blankets are ones that I use once it starts to frost. I cover my garden with it if I haven't taken everything out yet, or when I first plant flowers, like in the springtime, if there's some nights where it's still frost, I will cover them. So those always stay in our garage. I went and I pulled my vehicle around so that we could, anything that was going to be donated or sold or anything like that, I could just pop right into the back of my vehicle and I could just get it out of the garage. So I've got a lot of stuff that's going to be going to my mom's house for a garage sale. So popped all that stuff in there, and then at least we're good to go in that regard. So basically I'm just going to empty as much as I possibly can out of the garage and just start to organize it afterwards. So I'm throwing garbage away, anything that needs to go somewhere else, I'm like putting outside so that I can just get myself some space in order to organize and actually clean.
Just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. My mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh,
So I kind of decided that I wanted to make this little area more of like the garden tool area. So I'm getting hooks on the walls and I'm just like putting rakes and our whipper snipper, like all that kind of stuff over there. And then in that little cabinet is going to be like pots and like extra seeds and stuff like that. So anything that I really use for gardening or that we use for like lawn maintenance, that sort of thing is going to go over in that section.
To me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Yeah.
So I decided that I was actually going to get rid of this little bike holder for, I don't even know what it's called, the little bike carriage. I decided to get rid of that. We actually just sold it on a buy and sell. I didn't end up using it at all this year, and I had previously purchased it on a buy and sell, and I wasn't 100% sure if I had it hooked up right or anything like that. So when I did use it the first year I bought it, it always kind of made me nervous. I wasn't sure exactly if I had it on there right, so I just figured, you know what, I'm done with it. So I sold that on a buy and sell, and we're just going to carry on. So I wanted to, on this wall here, I'm going to get everything organized, but I wanted to hang up all of the lawn chairs. As you guys can see, we have a ton of lawn chairs, and they've always just like take up so much room. So I went and my father-in-law brought me some really large nails, so I just screwed a bunch of nails in and I just hung them up on the wall. That was able to get them out of the way, off the floor, and it gained me quite a bit more space actually in there. I was actually surprised how much space that actually did gain me by just doing that.
We'll make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. I see that it's tough now, but trust me, yeah, trust me. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. Hey, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see
So now I'm turning my attention over to the workbench, and the first thing that I wanted to do was vacuum as much as possible, because I've been doing a ton of projects in here lately, you guys have seen on my channel, and I had so much sawdust and dust, and there was spider webs and everything on this workbench, so I really wanted to go ahead and get that all cleared off. As far as the organization of it, it wasn't too bad to begin with, but I really wanted to get it cleaned off and then just kind of organize a little bit that I had to. So one of the final things that I wanted to do was to hang up our snow shovels near the doorway, because we get some brutal winters in Canada, as most of you probably know. So I wanted to have those snow shovels really handy, just right by the door, so we could just grab them whenever there was a blizzard.
I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night, if I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
Alright you guys, so I am here at the finished garage. It is so much more organized, and we actually have room to store our winter things now. So let's take you inside and see what it looks like. Okay, so don't mind my ring light there, but I'm going to give you a little sweep here. A little quick overview. Look at all of this space that we can store all of our summer things in. I know it might not look like it, but it is absolutely way more organized. So starting out here, we have all of our summer things, so our summer tools, rakes, shovels, all that kind of thing, lawnmower, grass seed, spreader, wheelbarrow, my bike, Holden's bike, leaf blower, all that kind of stuff, all tucked away for next year's use. Then over here is actually stuff that we have set aside for buy and sell sales. So we're going to put all this stuff up on buy and sell, so that'll be gone, that'll be more room. And then I went and I hung up all of these chairs to get them off the ground and out of the way. This fridge has sold on a buy and sell, so it needs to go too. And then here is mostly just storage stuff. This entire set here, like this whole row, is all Christmas things. That's our Christmas tree and outdoor decorations. And then just like some extra mulch for next year. And then just storage. And then as you can see over here, our workbench, much more organized, much more clean. And I have hung up our shovels and everything and our ice scrapers to get ready for winter, because then that way we can just come out here, grab it, it's right in the doorway, and shovel for those Canadian winters. All that stuff outside needs to go to my father-in-law's place and my mom's place. So yeah, this is the overview of our garage. Much more room. Much better than it was, and now we can actually take down all of our winter stuff or all of our summer stuff, all of our patio furniture and everything, and we have room to store it in here this winter. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and got some motivation from it. Make sure you head over to the other girls' channels that are in the collab with me and check out how they're cleaning each of their rooms as well. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see